CashlessFX Euro New Zealand market review today. Okay, so we want you to understand why we intend to go short on Euro New Zealand this week. On Friday, 28th April, before market will close, the market got to this weekly resistance zone and we had this rejection with this pin bearish candle. Obviously, we are in a bullish market, but that rejection on 4-hour time frame caused a low breakout. Okay, so let's analyze the chart on the 4-hour time frame. Let's place a line here. Okay, and you could see that this trend line is also broken. So this rejection took out this low, and at the same time the trend line is also broken. Before this breakout will occur, market tapped into this trend line to create this resistance at the top here. So in a situation like this, when there is a breakout, we wait for a pullback and then look out for a confirmation to jump into a trade. So we intend to be catching this sell at this price level. Okay. Now, this is the current market price level. So we expect price to pull back to this zone and then wait for confirmation and then jump into a sell. We intend to be targeting this low or here before start looking for a buy on this asset. So this is why we intend to go short on Euro New Zealand. I just placed a line here and you could see that market was trading in this ascending channel, and finally this ascending channel is broken downwards, and in a situation like this, all you have to be doing is to catch a sell at the pullback level. Okay, targeting where the breakout happened in the trend. So because we are in a bullish trend, we had a level breakout at this price level and market pushed up. It's a confirmation that market will keep moving up. So in a short term, we intend to catch this sell for a short period, and then we'll be looking for a buy on this Euro New Zealand pair. So basically, that's why we intend to go short on this pair this week. So let's wait and see if price will be able to come back to this sell zone, and then we'll wait for a confirmation to jump into this trade. You can join CashlessFX Telegram channel for free signals. You can subscribe to CashlessFX YouTube channel for daily updates on our trades. You can write or hit on us or talk to us on Telegram channel. Write us email. You can visit CashlessFX.com to see all the services that we provide. Thank you. See you in the next video.